exercise 7.1, sixth one. The question is, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So first one they have given, we will just draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides will come. So this is A, B, C and D. A is -1, -2. B is 1, 0 coordinates. C is -1, 2 and D is -3, 0. These are the coordinates they have given. So the distance formula is what? Distance formula it is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Right? So first one you have to find out all the sides you have to find out. So you have to find out here AB, BC, CD, AD. First we will find out that. After that we will just check it out that two conditions are there. If all the sides are equal, then you have to go for the diagonal. If diagonals also equal, then it is become a square. Then diagonals are not equal, it becomes a rhombus, because if all the sides are equal, two quadrilaterals we know, one is square and one is rhombus. So you have to go for the diagonals. If diagonals are equal, then it is a square. Diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. The same way, if opposite sides are equal, you have to find out the diagonals also. If opposite sides are equal, there is a possibility that either it will be a rectangle or a parallelogram. So what you have to do, diagonals you find out. If diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. Diagonals are not equal, then it is a parallelogram. These are the main conditions you have to remember always. Okay, so we will start with AB. AB means A will be x1, y1, B will be x2, y2. So AB is equal to root of 1 minus of -1 the whole square plus 0 minus -2 the whole square. That is equal to root of 1 plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. 0 plus 2 square. That is equal to root of 2 square plus 2 square. That is root of 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8. Root 8 we can write it as 8. How will you write it? 2, 4, 2, 2 root 2. So root 8 we can write it as 2 root 2 units. Units always you have to write it. The same way BC you have to find out. BC how will you find out? Root of -1 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square. That is equal to root of -2 the whole square plus 2 square. Same you will get it, root of 4 plus 4, that is root 8, that is equal to 2 root 2 units. The next one BC, after that AB, BC, then CD you have to find out. CD is equal to root of C is x1, y1 and D is x2, y2. So -3 minus of -1 the whole square plus 0 minus 2 the whole square is equal to root of -3 plus 1 the whole square plus -2 the whole square. That is equal to root of, here -3 plus 1 it is -2, -2 square it is 4 plus 4 it is equal to root 8. That is equal to 2 root 2 units. The next one you have to find out AD. A will be x1, y1 and D will be x2, y2. So AD is equal to root of -3 minus of -1 the whole square plus 0 minus -2 the whole square. That is equal to root of -3 plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. Same you will get it, 4 plus 4. It is equal to root 8, that is equal to 2 root 2 units. Now I told you already, here all the sides are equal you are getting. All the sides you are getting 2 root 2. Now you have to go for the diagonals AC and BD. AC if you are considering, A will be x1, y1 and C will be x2, y2. So AC is equal to root of -1 plus 1 the whole square plus 2 the whole square. 2 minus -2 will come, it becomes plus 2. That is root of 0 square plus 4 square, that is root 16. It is 4 units. Now BD. B will be x1, y1 and B will be x1, y1 and D will be x2, y2. So root of x2 minus x1 the whole square minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, that is equal to root of minus 4 square plus 0, that is again root 16 is equal to 4 units. So what you are getting here? Here you are getting AB equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, and diagonal AC is equal to BD. Therefore ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. And the next one, second one also you have to find out. Second one, the coordinates they have given minus 3. So you can consider this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So you can draw a rough diagram over here. That is A, B, C, D. It will be easy for you to find out. A minus 3, 5, B is 3, 1, and C is 0, 3, and D is minus 1, 4. Now here also you have to first you find out AB, distance formula. Once I am writing here, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is the formula. So just substitute that. Here 3 minus 3 become plus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 5 the whole square. That is equal to root of 6 square plus minus 4 square. That is equal to root of 36 plus 16. That is equal to root 52 units. If you want, you can find out, or otherwise you can keep it like that. Okay. So you can reduce it by doing prime factorization. I am not reducing it. We will see that other diagrams, other sides, and we will decide whether you have to reduce it or not. Now BC. BC is equal to root of B will be x1 y1, C will be x2 y2. So 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square. That is equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square is equal to root of 9 plus 4. It is equal to root 13 units. So it is different. Now we'll go for the third one, CD. C will be x1 y1, C will be x1 y1, and D will be x2 y2. So CD, how will you find out? CD is equal to root of minus 1 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to root of minus 1 the whole square plus minus 7 the whole square is equal to root of 1 plus 49. That is root 50 units. So all different. Three sides are different. Then fourth one also will be different. We will see that AD is equal to root of minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 the whole square. That is equal to root of minus 1 plus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5, it is minus 9 the whole square. That is equal to 2 square plus 81, that is 4 plus 81, that is equal to root 85 units. So the given points do not form any quadrilateral. Therefore, the given, all it is irrational numbers, different sides. So the given points do not form any quadrilateral. This is the second one. Then we will go for the third one. Third one, again same thing, you have to check it out. Again I am telling, just take it as quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If all the sides are equal, then there is a possibility for square and rhombus. Diagonals are equal, then it is a square. Diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal, then is a possibility for parallelogram and rectangle. And if it is diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. Diagonals are not equal, it is a parallelogram. So A is what? A is 4, 5. B is 7, 6. DC is 4, 3, and D is 1, 2. So here also this is A, B, C, D. Now AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So AB, how will you find out? AB is equal to root of A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So here 7 minus 4 the whole square plus 6 minus 5 the whole square, that is equal to root of 3 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 9 plus 1, it is root 10. Then BC is equal to root of 4 minus 7 the whole square plus 3 minus 6 the whole square, that is equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus 3 square, that is equal to root of 9 plus 9, that you can write it as root 18. Root 18 we can simplify 2, 9, 3, 3. So that is equal to 3 root 2 units. If you want you can simplify or you can keep it here root 18 only. Okay. Now CD. CD is equal to root of 1 minus 4 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 the whole square, that is equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to root of 9 plus 1, it is equal to root 10 units. See here, you are getting here AB is equal to CD now you got. Then we will check that BC, now AD we will check it. AD is equal to root of A will be x1 y1 and D will be x2 y2. So x1 x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus 4 the whole square plus 2 minus 5 the whole square, that is equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square, that is equal to root of 9 plus 9, that is root 18, that is equal to 3 root 2 units. Now you are getting here opposite sides are equal. That means opposite side this BC is equal to AD and AB is equal to DC. Now you have to go for the diagonal. Diagonal AC is equal to root of 4 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 the whole square, that is equal to root of 0 square plus minus 2 the whole square is equal to root 4, it is 2 units. Now BD is equal to root of 1 minus 7 the whole square plus 2 minus 6 the whole square is equal to root of 36 plus 16, that is equal to root 52 units. Root 52 if you want you can simplify as root 2 root 13 units if you want, otherwise you can just write like that. Here what you are getting here, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD and diagonal AC is not equal to BD. Diagonal AC BD, AC is not equal to BD. Therefore, the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Thank you. I hope you understood this video. If you are understanding, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.